In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync calendar on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your LinkedIn scheduling and availability more organized, syncing your calendar is a simple feature that can help. It allows LinkedIn to connect with your existing calendar so your meeting times and availability are more accurate. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it set up quickly and without confusion. To begin, go to your LinkedIn account. Make sure you're signed in before starting, since the calendar sync option is only available once you're inside your profile or account area. If you're using a desktop browser, this process is usually easiest to follow there, although the layout may look slightly different depending on updates to LinkedIn's interface. The important thing is to start from your LinkedIn page and make sure everything is fully loaded before moving on. Once you're on LinkedIn, click Me. This is the profile and account menu, and you'll usually find it near the top of the screen. When you click it, a drop-down menu or account panel will appear with several settings and options related to your profile. Take a moment to look through the available items if needed, but for this process, you're simply using this menu as the path to reach the calendar set sync feature. After that, click Sync Calendar. This is the key step that opens the option to connect your calendar with LinkedIn. Once selected, LinkedIn may guide you through a short connection process, depending on the calendar provider you use. If a permissions window appears, read it carefully so you understand what access is being requested. In most cases, this is necessary so LinkedIn can view your availability and help manage scheduling more smoothly. As you complete the setup, make sure you choose the correct calendar account if you have more than one. This is especially helpful if you keep separate personal and work calendars and only want one of them connected. Choosing the right one from the start can save time and avoid scheduling mix-ups later. And that's it. You've gone to LinkedIn, opened the Me menu, and selected Sync Calendar. If the option doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking whether your account has access to that feature in your current region or plan. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sync your calendar on LinkedIn quickly and easily.